Adobe InDesign, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop, and everything in between, from web design to Maya, which does 3D animation.
New programs that we started working with were Sculptress and ZBrush, which are 3D modeling programs.
So all your photos from Photoshop, all your illustrations in Illustrator, all the type all come together in one document in Adobe InDesign, and seeing it all come together has been so fun.
Ames does teach you the basics of all the technology you'll be using, from computers to printers to cameras, because we did stop motion. Wacom tablets, which are drawing tablets for us to design on. A new piece of equipment is a laser cutter, which I have not gotten my hands on yet, but it's really cool. Also new are the maker spaces, which are for 3D printing. They teach you the basics to everything, but it's kind of your job to explore it.
Everything that you need is right here, which is great because the Adobe products right now are no longer available to buy. You have to rent them every year, which is really expensive. It's like $50 a month to use the Adobe products. So be able to have them here at school and be able to use them all day long whenever we need them for free as a student is amazing.